Hey guys, if you want to see how I make this delicious meal, just continue watching. That's my chicken chow mein, my Chinese dinner for tonight. So I'm going to marinate my chicken, my thighs. So I've washed my chicken, thighs, and with some vinegar. And I have cut them into strips. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. That's a 3/4, half a teaspoon of soya sauce. It's salty. I'm adding also 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And now I'm gonna mix to combine and set aside while I prepare my vegetables. So in this bowl, I'm gonna prepare my noodle. I'm gonna add my noodles to the bowl as per the package instructions. I'm gonna add some boiling water to soften the noodles. So here are my noodles. I'm now going to set this aside. I forget my bok choy. I'm going to wash these leaves and chop them. So I'm going to cut this off first. Cut off the tip right there. Toss that. And now I'm going to cut these up. You can also use cabbage if you like. You can use some shredded cabbage. These are, so that's it. So for my slurry, I'm adding 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of oyster, oyster sauce. One tablespoon of soya sauce, dark soya sauce, a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, a quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, sorry. Now I'm going to combine all these ingredients. I'm also going to add some cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And now I'm going to combine and set aside. Last but not least, I'm adding some wine vinegar. About 1/2 teaspoon of wine vinegar. I'm going to add my chicken to my wok. I'm going to fry until golden brown. And I think I'll do these in 2 portions. OMG, it smells so good. I am so hungry. Wow. Whoa. Oh, my eyes. So I'm going to remove this batch and cook another batch. Now I'm adding some ginger and garlic. It's so delicious. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to remove it and add my vegetable. So now I'm going to add my vegetable to the pot. Add my garlic and the rest of ginger. I'm going to lower my heat. And I'm going to stir. Add in all of my vegetables. Just adding a tad of water. I have to change my wok. It's too small, so I have to change it. Change my pot, basically. I'm adding a little soya sauce to the vegetable. Can't wait to eat. It smells so good. So good. Now I'm adding my chicken to the pot, to the vegetable. I'm going to stir. That looks good. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. Let's try. Nice. Perfecto. Add in my noodles. It tastes delicious. It tastes so good. Yes, guys. This is it, guys. So good. I'm gonna add some slurry. Add my sauce to the pot, and I'm gonna stir. OMG, that looks delicious. Yes, yes. I'm gonna add my green onions. And I'm gonna stir again. And dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. This looks like a real Chinese food. Oh my god. This looks like a real Chinese food, man. Chow mein noodles. Guys, look at this deliciousness. Look at that deliciousness, guys. Wanna try some? Just adding some white pepper. And that's it, guys. Dinner is ready. Our dinner is ready. My deliciousness is ready. OMG. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, guys. This is it. So, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And now I'm going to eat a plate. So here's the finished products, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.